What's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
It's your girl Shay.
Your boy Sean. And your boy Riley.
And we're back with another video, and today we got a phenomenal video for you guys. Today we're going to be doing two cooking segments. First, we're going to be doing a crawfish etouffee, a great southern dish, followed by a great pecan candy. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned because it's going to be a lot of fun. We're getting everyone involved on this one, so kids, stay tuned. This was a highly requested video. We're going to be giving away great recipes to you guys. So you guys are going to want to copy these recipes. You're going to want to try these recipes. You're going to want to hit us back in the comment section and tell us how much you like them.
And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment who's the best cook in the whole family.
That's me. That's me.
Nah, it's me.
We would like to thank you guys for getting us to 100 subscribers. Now we're on the road to 500 subscribers. At 500 subscribers, we will be giving away a free Xbox One with 3 games to our most active subscribers.
So that means if you like the videos the most, if you comment on the most videos, if you watch the videos from beginning to end, you're the most active subscriber and you will win the free Xbox One. Now guys, we're about to get into this video. We're going to start with the pecan candy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment on the video. This recipe is for you. So now we're about to get into it.
First thing first, you want to get all your utensils and ingredients together. You want to start off with a large skillet, a spoon, your brown sugar, dark brown sugar or light brown sugar, doesn't matter, your real sugar, your pecan pieces, your pet milk or evaporated milk, real salted butter, pure vanilla extract, your measuring spoons, your measuring cup, and your pan with parchment paper. First, you need 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of regular white sugar.
Right, Sean, you pour the brown sugar, Riley, you pour the white sugar. 1 cup each.
Go.
Oh, Riley wasted it all on the time.
It's okay.
We're gonna clean it up, so it's all right. It's another
Riley, pour it in a pan.
Making sure it's wet. It must be perfect.
Now we got our cup of brown sugar and our cup of white sugar. Now y'all can pour it in the pan. Or in the skillet.
Alright, Riley, pour your cup. Riley wanna pour it all pretty and stuff. Alright, pour that back.
Next, you want to get your can of pet milk, evaporated milk, carnation milk, whichever one you want to get. You want to shake it up real good.
You need the bottle opener.
And then you need the bottle opener, preferably this kind of bottle opener. And you want to cut a hole in both sides. Or on one side, both sides.
Pretty much however you can do it.
And you need a half a cup of evaporated milk.
Alright, you're gonna pour it. I'll pour it. Let me pour it. Half a cup.
Yeah, 1.
Half a cup. Alright. Down. And there you go, baby. Half a cup.
And then you want to pour and stir at the same time to let the sugar dissolve. And you want to.
You can't get on that side.
And once the sugar is dissolved, you want to turn the fire up.
Turn up.
To medium low. And then you want to turn the fire up to medium high until it starts to boil. And you want to stir continuously.
wipe this little shit off the counter real quick.
start boiling yet.
I know, I said really.
So how long do you think it's gonna take to finish this?
Yeah, about 5 minutes until it boils.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Next, you need 1 cup, 1 1/4 cups of pecans. Who wants to open the pecans?
Pour 1 1/4 cup. Probably pour 1 1/4 cups of pecans. I'll open it for you. Yeah, pour 1 1/4 cups. Pour 1 1/4 cups.
You want to make sure your mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So that's why you want to continue to stir.
What's your favorite dessert?
Favorite dessert. Cookies.
Cheesecake?
No, cupcakes.
You say cupcakes? Really? You like cupcakes? That's your favorite dessert?
Yeah, cupcakes.
Out of all the desserts in the world, cupcakes is your favorite. Wow.
Unlocked. Hold up.
Pour the pecans in and you start it and incorporate everything together.
They can come in all they want now.
You want to incorporate all that together. The next step you need is 2 tablespoons of butter. Who's going to cut the butter?
I need 2 tablespoons of butter, so I'll do it, baby. Give me a butter knife. Right here.
You want to turn the fire down a little low.
You said 2 tablespoons? And put the butter in, open it. Wow.
That's how you're going to close off the meat.
Okay. You do that? Yeah, I do be doing it every time. Shay, what's your favorite dessert, babe?
Cookie.
Cheesecake. I love cheesecake. Maybe I'll make cheesecake one day.
Mine is probably strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake sucks.
You crazy. Why love strawberry shortcake?
It's trash.
Now you gotta get a real strawberry shortcake though. 2 tablespoons?
Yeah, 2 tablespoons
okay,
of butter.
What's your favorite? I said cupcake. I said cookie.
And you want to let the butter melt.
Do I need to put the butter back in the fridge or leave it out?
You can put it back in the refrigerator.
Pecan pie counts as a dessert.
Yeah.
Next you
I
need.
love pecan pie.
Next you need 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
3/4 teaspoons. Fine, 3/4 teaspoons.
You need a half plus what equals 3/4 of.
A half plus
4.
yeah, 4.
Bam. There you go.
You want to turn the fire off.
You want to take it off the thing?
They so goofy.
Oh, you can't pour the vanilla extract in there yet? Not yet?
Yeah, you want to wait till it cool down just a little bit.
It already smells like pecan candy. It smells so good.
Y'all, it's starting to smell good in here, y'all. Smell like pecan candy, for real.
If y'all were
Smell like the holidays.
Y'all definitely need to try this recipe, I promise you. Like, she make a great pecan candy.
You want to make this all the time.
And it's starting to get thicker. So you can pour it in there. You can pour the vanilla extract. 3/4
So put the exact amount of ingredients that she told y'all to put in there. Put the exact amount.
I got it. Okay,
Just come on. Let's pour it in the center.
pick that up, Sean.
Then pour the rest.
That's it.
You hear it start to bubble? I gotta watch out for these little Robinson men. They gonna be able to cook for these girls once they get up in age. They gonna know how to cook everything.
Not wrong sucks.
Nah, my boys ain't cooking for no women. Hey, y'all
Yeah,
cooking
they
for
is.
him.
No,
Y'all
they
better
gonna
cook for
learn
my
to cook.
boys.
They gonna learn to cook so they can fend for themselves.
It looks so good.
They gonna know how to woo these girls.
Make sure you get a woman that can cook, bro. If she can't cook,
She can order.
give her the boot.
No.
She can order it.
No, you can be like,
Don't tell my boys to get no girl that can't cook all the food. That's a waste of money.
tell her thank you
Hands unhealthy.
next.
You don't need no girl like that.
Tell her thank you next.
Real for real.
Say thank you next.
I can cook too.
You need a girl that can make cornbread from scratch. If she can't make cornbread from scratch,
That's
you
sad.
scratch off your lid, bro. I ain't lying.
No.
You want to let it sit and cool for a couple minutes,
Say
about
what now?
3 or 5 minutes. Let it cool so it can thicken out.
With a parchment paper. Do you need this right? Alright, let me show you guys what this looking like right now. Bam.
If y'all can smell it through the camera.
Look at that, guys.
It's starting to thicken out.
I promise if you can smell this right now, you'll be like, wow.
Well, y'all can smell it when y'all make it.
Yeah, that smell good, babe. For real, for real. Ugly man. Why you got a turkey head on?
Y'all like our hats?
That's one.
Now that everything has caramelized, you can scoop it up and put it on your parchment paper covered pan. And it doesn't matter because it's going to spread out and do its own thing.
I can't wait till you guys see.
Man, I'm fucking starving too. Can't wait.
Oh, this just smells so good.
I'm sorry.
I wish we could just get
I didn't try to, y'all. Sorry, kids.
Sorry. Can you blur it out?
Pretty sure you can. But I'm not. Come on, man. I'm gonna give you another pen. Parchment paper. Yeah. No, you just leave it out on the counter, right?
And it'll cool down and stick this up.
Like pecan candy rub. You didn't tell me what was your favorite dessert.
Pecan pie, those cookies.
Cookies? Really?
Pecan pie's better.
What type of cookies?
chocolate chip.
Really? I like oatmeal cookies.
And I like red velvet.
Yeah, like red velvet.
Y'all can eat the rest of that in that skillet.
I can put it
Yeah, y'all lick the spoon.
No, I like this. Actually, no.
Now guys, I want to show you guys the finished product.
What it looks like before it like sticks.
Gets hard, yeah.
It gets hard.
You gotta wait like an hour or two for it to get hard.
I'm thinking you'll stick your finger up in there.
Look good,
Is it good?
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
I'm telling you.
I never know what it tastes that.
Hey, did you try this recipe?
Boy, Daddy can never cook like this. Oh?
Well, I cook better than your mom. What are you talking about?
I really don't.
Your mom cannot cook like me. Where do you think your mama learned how to cook from?
Say granny.
You learned how to cook from me.
Okay.
Boy, your mama learned how to cook from me. When I met your mama, boy, she couldn't cook fries.
He funny. He funny.
She couldn't cook a hot dog,
Hey,
y'all.
y'all better add my brothers.
I'm telling you, when I met this girl, she couldn't cook a hot
Add
dog.
my brothers.
How you burn wieners, bro?
Boy, this boy.
How you burn wieners?
This
Shay,
boy-
how you burn wieners,
He didn't even know how to cook nothing but cereal. He couldn't
Burn
boil.
wieners.
He couldn't even boil water, y'all. Let me tell y'all. This boy put a pot in the microwave. He put a pot in the microwave.
I promise you, I ain't know you
And when
could
it
put a pot in the
then when it
microwave.
opened, the handle flew out and passed my head. He almost killed me. See?
I ain't trying to do that.
He doesn't even know how to boil water.
No, he thought you can boil water and some noodles in a microwave in a pot.
Alright guys, there you have it. You have the recipe for pecan candy. We have to wait till it gets cool so it can harden, but everything is pretty much done. You saw this recipe. Please try this recipe and tell us how you like it.
The ingredients will be down in the description box below.
Okay. But guys, thank you for watching this video. Conclusion of the video. Out.